Okay, on this video, I'm going to show you how to solve for triangles. First, I'm going to talk to you about it's called isosceles triangle. An isosceles triangle looks like this. It is a triangle. Okay, two of the legs will be congruent. Okay, so when I talk about isosceles triangle, those are called the legs. The sides that are congruent are called the legs. Now, if you have this, the angles opposite are also congruent, okay? So the angle opposite to this leg is this angle right here. So this angle will be congruent to the angle opposite to this one will be right here, okay? So the angles opposite are also congruent, and these angles are called base angles. Okay, we're also going to use stuff that we know already. For example, we know that vertical angles are congruent. So you have vertical angles. You know that this angle will be congruent to that one. All vertical angles are congruent. Okay? And then what you're also supposed to know is the following. The angle sum theorem. Sum means you're going to be adding them. So if you have an angle made like this, made up of two other small angles, okay? Let's call this A, B, C, and D. The small angles, the measurement of the small angles, measurement of small angle B, ABC, measurement of angle ABC, plus the measurement of the other small angle, that be measurement of angle CBD, and that be equal to the measurement of the biggest angle. The biggest angle is ABD. The other thing you're supposed to know is the following. If you have a straight line from one side to the other, it will be 180 degrees. So you have an angle right here, and let's say this angle is 60. If this angle is 60, this angle will be 60 plus what give you 180? That'd be 120, okay? So your straight line is 180, and the last thing you're supposed to know is the following. If you have a triangle, name ABC, if you add all the measurement of all the angles, measurement of angle A plus the measurement of angle B plus the measurement of angle C is equal to 180. So on today's homework, we're going to be using all these ideas in one problem, okay? So let's look at the problems. Problem number one, straight from your homework. Find the value of x. Okay, first of all, this is 77 degrees. If this angle is 77, what would this angle right here be? Okay, these are vertical angles, so this would be 77. They're equal, okay? Now, this is an isosceles triangle. The angles opposite are also congruent, so this angle will be congruent to the angle. So if this is 77, this will be 77. Okay? And now to find this angle, you know that 77 plus 77 plus question mark, this measurement, is equal to 180. If you add them all, you're going to get 180. 7 plus 7 is 14. Carry your 1. 7 plus 7, 14 plus 1 is 15. Plus question mark is equal to 180. Get the question mark by itself, negative 154. Negative 154. This will cancel, so the question mark will be equal to, that'll be 6 So question mark is 26. So this angle right here will be 26. So this is 26. This will also be 26. Now you have an isosceles triangle, so these angles will also be congruent. If that's 26, this will be 26. And this will be x. So using this 26, I'm going to add all the angles. 26 plus 26 plus x equal to 180. 6 plus 6 is 12. 2 carry 1, 4, 5. Get the x by itself, minus 52. Minus 52. So angle x is 128 degrees. Okay, that's how you find it. So to do this problem, you have to use a lot of ideas, a lot of concepts into one. Okay, problem number 5. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cross on the number 2. Determine angle measurement of angle 2 is x plus 23. I'm gonna cross this out, and here I'm gonna put in x plus 23. X plus 123. 123. Now, right here you have this whole thing is 180. So 103 plus what will give you 180? That'll be 77. 103 plus 77 is 180. Now these two sides, it is a bit isosceles triangle. It is 77. This will be 77. Now 77 plus 77 will give you 145. Now 145 plus what gives you 180? 35 degrees. Now this means 90. So 35 plus what will give you 90? 35 degrees plus what will give you 90? That'll be 55. Now this whole thing will be 180. So you know that 55 plus x plus 125 it is equal to 180. Now get the x by itself. 5 plus 5 will give you 10. 0 carry you 1. 2 plus 5, 7 plus 1, 8. Get the x by itself. Their opposites, they cancel, so you have x is equal to, and that is the answer. Okay, thank you.